Union Cabinet have approved STARS program. What is this STARS? STARS. Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States project. STARS. Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States is STARS. We all know we have a program called Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Almost it is successful in enrollment, but the quality of teaching and quality of outcomes in primary education is still a distant dream in India. For that purpose, we have launched a program called STARS, and this STARS project is partially funded by World Bank. This is an important point here. STARS project is partially funded by World Bank. The aim of this project is to bring out reforms in the governance, particularly in the school education. School education governance reforms. First point, STARS is meant for school education. Second point, the aim of this project is to improve data and assessment systems at the national level about the qualitative outcomes, as well as teaching and learning outcomes in 6 states, especially for early childhood education and vocational education, teaching and learning outcomes. The project you have seen from last 8 months, the disastrous effect of COVID virus on Indian education. Almost the students lost their academic year and they are gaining education only through online, which have its own limitations. So, this STARS project includes an emergency response component to help the government to respond in disaster situations like some natural disaster or epidemics, and in disasters generally schools will be closed. At the same time, students should not lose their learning capabilities due to this loss. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic, from last 8 months, the learning capabilities we need to assess. And you all know that regularly we will get a report from Pradham Foundation, ESSER report, annual survey and education report, where there was one statement, a 5th class boy cannot read 2nd class school textbook. This is something which is really precarious. And the STARS project, the total cost of it is 5,718 crores, 5718 crores. And the majority of funding is given by World Bank, that is 3,700 crores, $500 million. And a major component of the STARS project is PARAK. The word PARAK is very, very important. PARAKH, Performance, Assessment, Review and Analysis of Knowledge for Holistic Development. PARAKH, Performance, Assessment, Review and Analysis of Knowledge for Holistic Development is PARAK. The word PARAK is also mentioned in our National Education Policy 2020. In fact, what is PARAK? PARAK is a National Assessment Institution or National Assessment Center. PARAK is an autonomous institution under Union Education Ministry, which will actually collect the data and set norms for student assessment and qualitative outcomes, regular evaluation of students across all state boards across the country. In fact, the qualitative outcomes of education, the assessment of the student and the outcomes of the education, particularly primary education, is in the hands of the state government. But now, from now on, PARAK, which is going to be a major component of the STARS project, which is an autonomous institution under Education Ministry at the central level, is going to have this. At the state level, the STARS project seeks to improve education outcomes and school work culture transition to meet the requirements to the next level of education, that is secondary education and higher education, and also to make child better equipped in future to suit the job requirements and better labor market. And here the STARS project is going to start in the states like Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and Odisha. A similar project like STARS has been funded by Asian Development Bank earlier. that particular project, which was funded by Asian Development Bank, similar to STARS, it is working in the states like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Assam. And let's see, the states and the center will have a common policy about qualitative outcomes, as not just education but qualitative output is very, very important for better education. And many surveys are telling that though we have good enrollment, outcomes are also very important, results are also very important.